College provides you with Office 365, which is a suite of programs that you can use on an iPad, Mac, or on a PC. If you're in Office 365, Word, PowerPoint, even Excel, and you're curious about how to do something for this class, like insert a picture, draw on that picture, print your file to a PDF, it's very simple. All you have to do is click here on the Help menu that's right up top, kind of in the middle of the screen. And if you come over here to the very left and click on the Help menu again, it will expand a right side panel that has the entire Help menu that correlates to your operating system. And so you can use this right side menu to look up anything that you would like to do, and you will get the correct instructions based on your operating system. So you can search how to insert a picture, how to print to a PDF, and Microsoft or Office 365 will bring up a variety of ways for you to do that.